Well, hello there. About 30 k's in now. Feeling good. Feeling really good. No stress. And that's what we're going to discuss today. What if you could use stress as stupid phone. What if you could use stress as a benefit? Now let's quickly talk about this before I deal with this hill. We all got jobs, most of us, right? Luckily, in these shitty circumstances. Most of the time we're on autopilot, right? You can go and do your job without really thinking about it. You just get on with it, right? You just get it done. Well, if that's the case, I often talk to friends and they're stressed to the fucking eyeballs. And I really don't get it when you think about the fact that you can all go there and do the job and do it well and on autopilot. So where's the stress coming from? Up here. Overthinking, overanalyzing, and sometimes even just creating a fictitious drama to make your life feel more important, or the job itself, because you're probably bored shitless. So, if that's the case and you are in a job you don't like, well, you've got two options. You can change it or stay in it and deal with that. I hate hills. Or you can just use the stress you're creating and use it in other areas of your life that are more beneficial. Like challenging yourself to learn a new skill outside of your job. Training, getting healthier. That's a stress with benefit. Like this, every Sunday. This ain't just as stressful. Benefits are great, outcomes great. That's why you keep doing it. You actually start to enjoy stress. Does that make sense? Am I getting through to you? Feel free to share your thoughts and comments. Talk to me, level with me. So, question today, if you just joined, what if you could turn all that stress that you create and use it to more benefits for your life? It means challenging yourself, getting out of your comfort zone. Don't be scared of that, man. Because in there lies massive, massive change. And we all don't want to stay the same, do we, right? I hear ya. All right, back to it. See ya.